This is Karin Wilson Edmonds from Banyan Tribe Wellness and Yoga here in Kingston, Jamaica. Welcome to another episode of Wellness Wednesdays. So for the last couple of weeks, I've been talking about yoga, why yoga is so great, for pretty much everybody, what the misconceptions about yoga are, what it is, what it isn't. I include it in my wellness program for most of my clients because, as I said, yoga has so many benefits on many, many different levels. So this morning I wanted to share one concept that I use a lot in my practice when I teach. It resonates with my students. I wanted to share it with you all. And it's something I say over and over and over again. It really relates to the physical body, but I think it's a concept that can be used to relate to life in general. You can extrapolate the concept to many different situations. So it's really 3 simple words. Stop, breathe, soften. So in a yoga practice, I use that when I am putting my students into a particular asana or posture, a deep stretch really, where they're going to encounter resistance in their body. So for example, if you are, doing a forward bend, if you are, doing any kind of posture really, that you are stretching yourself to your limit or to your edge, you come to a place where you find resistance. You just won't go anymore. As much as you want to maybe, force your body or push your body to get into the posture further, your body just says, no, I'm not going anymore. And often what can happen is that you can get annoyed, feel resistance, feel upset with yourself. You're encountering some pushback from your muscles, from your body, from your bones sometimes, and your body's just saying, no, I'm not going any further. This is where I am. This is my limit. And as I said, sometimes you can get judgmental, you can be, dissatisfied with where you're at. And it's just interesting to notice the self-talk that comes up when this happens. So what I say is when you start to notice that you're getting upset, that you're dissatisfied, that you're starting to beat yourself up, you stop. Stop. You breathe. Become aware of the breath. And then you soften. Naturally on exhales, in deep stretches, the muscles relax. So stop, breathe, soften. Anytime you encounter resistance in your body, if you're doing a deep stretch, pretty much in everyday life, it applies. If you're encountering resistance in some situation, your natural reaction is to get upset, to lose your cool. Stop, breathe, soften. As I said, I think this applies to many different situations in life. I try and remember it myself when I'm in a situation where I'm about to lose my cool. I stop, I breathe, and I soften. So I hope this makes some sense to you. If it does, great. Please give me your feedback, give me your thoughts, and let me know if this is something that you found useful. So thank you again for listening. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Wellness Wednesdays. Thank you. Namaste.